Lady Trans Lovies, I am your girl Lady, bringing you the hottest news. So if you're new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also leave a comment below. So is Somizi throwing shade against Bestie Ubonang over a bubble launch? They may have reunited as best friends, but word on the street is that there is a bitter rivalry going on between Somizi and Bonang Matheba. This comes after Somizi Somgaga launched his latest venture, a bottle of bubble, this past weekend basically. Somizi, like Queen Bee, has ventured into the world of celebrity alcoholic beverages. The Idol's presenter launched his collaboration with the French champagne GH Mom on Sunday on the 1st of December in a fancy branch in Sentin. But seems as if Somizi was not satisfied in simply competing with his BFF in the market. He had to make it known he is here to one up to her. Whilst Bonang is drinking a sparkle of wine, Somizi has made it clear his barber is real the champion. I say So Somizi took it to her social media and she wrote, "Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I present to you the one and only edition, the LTD edition, GH Mom collaborates Somizi, the only one in Africa, to God be glory." But it was his next line that really hits the nerve. He concluded, loves in France, non in France. Wow, guys, this is a shade. This is a really shade. But anyway, I hope Somizi was just laughing about it, and she was like creating a joke. It's nothing serious, you know. Somizi, he likes to be so commentative, and he doesn't care what someone really thinks about him. What he does, he does. Anyways, yes. Also, on that time, Bonang was in Western Cape in Stellenbosch, and she actually posted that is in French. So, guys, this is really sad. I said, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm out till next time. Love you.